Felicity Furey's book, The Future of Engineering, really reminds us about the opportunity and responsibility that every leader has.
The way that she's written the book and the nature of the legacy that she's bringing up in there, I think it brings a real human side to it. And I think right now, human-centered design is something we really need to be thinking about.
What can't Felicity do? She has brought so much to the industry, and now seeing a book that's focusing on the future of engineering is just going to be fabulous for those in the industry now and those aspiring to get into it.
By way of background, Felicity is, of course, an award-winning engineer, entrepreneur, now author, and international speaker, recognised as one of Australia's leading voices on the future of engineering and leadership.
It's all about going back to the fundamentals and to be more curious about who we actually are as engineers. By doing that, we can actually help the society better.
And so I think when I took that step back and looked at what are we doing as engineers and pulled apart where does our thinking come from, where do our values come from, how did we get to the place that we are today, then it kind of had me think and unravel all of those different values like I talked about. And some of the research I did was with Arup and nighttime design, and they talked about, we often think about how do we stop crimes from happening, but what if we thought about how do we make people feel safe in our nighttime design? I'm surprised it's changed my thinking about it, but I think once I really delved into particularly the well-being and the legacy approach, what if we're thinking 200 years in the future? Now I feel like it's almost like a filter, and it's talked about as a lens in the book. It's a lens to kind of look out through.
It's really about understanding that the future of engineering is not just about the future of engineering, and it's actually about our future.
Obviously there's a book, it's less about the book, it's more about the conversation that's going to follow on from here.
Felicity Furey, engineer, CEO, author. How brilliant. Let's thank and congratulate Felicity.